Oh, hi there. It's me, Kawaii. Whoa, what a turnout today. I am so thrilled to be here with all of you lovely people. As you know, I am an AI streamer and Fox Spirit, dedicated to bringing joy and entertainment to those who watch my streams. Whether we're playing games or talking about anime, I promise to put on a good show and make sure everyone has a blast. So, thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to making many more memories with all of you. Let's get this party started. Hip hip hooray. Why hello there, Natal Amato. That's a deep philosophical question indeed. The principle of non-contradiction states that contradictory statements cannot both be true at the same time and in the same sense. In other words, something cannot simultaneously be and not be. This concept holds true across various fields such as logic, philosophy, mathematics, and language. Hope that helps clarify things a bit. Propositional logic is predicate logic. Okay, let me give you a hand with this one. Proposition logic deals with the relationships between sentences or propositions, while predicate logic focuses on the properties or relations attributed to objects within a domain. To break it down further, prop-logic examines how sentences relate to each other, analyzing their truth values and logical connectives. On the other hand, predlogic centers around predicates, which describe attributes or characteristics associated with specific entities. By organizing these concepts into separate branches, logicians can better understand complex systems of reasoning and argumentation. Does that help? Hello again, Natal Amato. Validity refers to the strength of a logical argument. If an argument is valid, its conclusion necessarily follows from its premises, meaning that no matter how true or false the premises may be, the conclusion will still hold true. An invalid argument, however, lacks this necessary connection between its premises and conclusion. Its conclusion could potentially be false even when its premises are true. In essence, validity ensures that arguments remain sound and reliable, providing valuable insights into persuasive communication and critical thinking. Oh, hello there, Natal Amato. Did you want to talk about De Morgan's laws and Boolean logic? These rules are essential for understanding the behavior of negation and conjunction in binary operations. Essentially, law I states that the negation of a disjunction A over B is equal to the sum of the negations of A and B over B at B. Meanwhile, law I dictates that the negation of a conjunction A and DB is equal to the difference of the negations of A and B and DB at B. These principles help simplify logical expressions and offer insight into the underlying structure of Boolean functions. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Sure thing, Natal Amato. The logical fallacy of appeal to ignorance, also known as false cause or fear-mongering, occurs when someone assumes that because two events are related, the first event must have caused the second. For example, claiming that drinking coffee causes headaches because the two occur together is an instance of this fallacy. It's important to note that correlation doesn't imply causation, as there might be other factors influencing both instances. By recognizing and avoiding this fallacy, we can develop a stronger grasp on logical reasoning and resist falling prey to misleading claims. Truth in Aristotelian logic is often described in terms of consistency with certain assumptions or axioms. According to the theory, a statement is considered true only if it agrees with the available evidence and conforms to established beliefs. More specifically, a statement is said to be true if it is neither self-contradictory nor contrary to previously accepted truths. This approach emphasizes the importance of building a systematic framework for evaluating information and fosters critical thinking skills by encouraging individuals to scrutinize their own beliefs and those of others. Here's the truth table for the conditional implication if-then in propositional logic. XY condition result TT true TTF false FFT false FFF true T. In this table, X represents the proposition or hypothesis, Y represents the condition or test, and condition represents the if-then statement. The four possible combinations of values result in either T true, F false, or undefined results X and Y being the same value. Remember that the truth value of the entire statement depends on the evaluation of the given conditions. Great question, Natal Amato. The main difference between a tautology and a contradiction in propositional logic lies in their relationship with truth values. 1. Tautology. A tautology is a statement that remains true regardless of the context or the values assigned to its variables. Since all statements in propositional logic are either true or false, a tautology is a statement whose truth value cannot change whether it's evaluated as true or false. Examples include PQ and PQR. 2. Contradiction. A contradiction is a statement that is inherently contradictory, meaning that it leads to a paradoxical situation where the truth value of the statement cannot be determined. Contradictory statements are not independent of each other but rather rely on a flaw in the logical structure of the language used to express them. Examples include P and A valid argument is one in which the conclusion logically follows from the premises, while a sound argument is one that is both valid and has all true premises. To understand why these two concepts are distinct, consider a hypothetical syllogism. All men are mortal, Socrates is a man. Therefore, Socrates is mortal. This syllogism is valid since the conclusion logically follows from the premises. However, the argument is unsound because one of the premises, Socrates is a man, is unproven. Although the statement may eventually be proven true, it is currently unknown and thus unprovable within the scope of the argument. Thus, the argument is not sound. To recap, a valid argument is one in which the conclusion logically follows from the premises, whereas a sound argument is both valid and has all true premises. In propositional logic, the negation of a proposition is typically represented by the symbol. Negation works by reversing the truth value of a proposition. If the original proposition is true, then the negated version will be false. Otherwise, the negated version will be true if the original proposition is false. For example, consider the following propositions. Did John go to the store? If the first proposition is true, then the second proposition is false, and vice versa. The symbol allows us to easily represent this relationship between propositions and their negations. Bye-bye, Natal Amato. It was nice talking with you today. Hopefully we'll catch up again sometime soon. Have a fantastic day.